Hello everyone, welcome to our easy class today. My name is Angeline Wang. In today's class, we are going to introduce a very successful cloud company, Salesforce. In today's class, we prepare several official demo videos for demonstrating how Salesforce.com services work, and then the business model and the current status of Salesforce.com. Finally, we present a successful case study using Salesforce.com. We will talk about what problems the company faces, how to use Salesforce.com services to resolve the difficulty, and finally, we will discuss how great the results are. As we know, Salesforce.com is the largest cloud CRM company in the world, and the Salesforce.com mainly focuses on SaaS, software as a service. It was founded in March 1999 by former Oracle executives. And you might wonder what services Salesforce.com provides us. The services we will introduce, but not limited to Salesforce, are Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Data Cloud, Collaboration Cloud, and Customer Cloud. And then the last one is CRM, Customer Relationship Management. The first one is Sales Cloud. Mainly, Sales Cloud gives representatives, managers, and executives everything they need to connect with customers and focuses on what's important. More selling and less administration. What Sales Cloud will bring us? It will give us close more deals faster and gain real-time visibility into sales and connect with today's social customers. So let's take a look at a clear video demo officially from Salesforce.com. After this video, and everyone will gain a deeper understanding of what Sales Cloud is. Let's take a look at it and come back later.
In this demo, we'll take a look at the Sales Cloud, the world's #1 sales app. Sales has always been about connecting with your customer, but connecting today is harder than ever because more and more customers are educating each other on social media. As a sales rep, you have less influence than ever before, and even if you are engaged, it's impossible to find what you need to close your deals. With the Sales Cloud, you can quickly connect with everyone and everything inside your company that you need to win, and always know what's important to your customers on their social networks. The Sales Cloud puts everything you need in one place. Let's take a look. On the home page, you immediately get a real-time view of your performance from your favorite dashboard, and you can manage your customer tasks, appointments, and emails, all of which get synced automatically with your favorite email app. Everything you need is just a click away. Your contacts, accounts, leads, opportunities, files, and dashboards. And Chatter gives you a real-time feed, where updates to everything you care about are pushed to you. Account updates chatter, campaigns chatter, and your dashboards chatter. Here's a Chatter update alerting you to some new leads from marketing. From your queue, you can prioritize and drag follow-up tasks right onto your calendar. The Sales Cloud tracks leads from traditional campaigns and automatically captures leads from across the web, including social media, like Facebook, Twitter, forums, and blogs. Here's a question that just came in from your company's Facebook page. You've captured some of their information, like their name, Facebook ID, and email, but now with data.com, you can automatically get all of their contact info in one place. The Sales Cloud also lets you track all of your customers' social conversations from across the web, so you know what they care about before you place a call. After a productive conversation with your customer, it's clear there's a real opportunity. It's good-sized and moving fast, so it's time to get the rest of your team on board. With Chatter, you can share the agenda, collaborate on the deck for your next meeting, and even post a picture of your pricing discussion you had at Starbucks. It's easy to stay connected, whether you're on your iPhone, BlackBerry, or Android phone, or if you're on a tablet. Touch.salesforce.com is the first mobile sales app built for touchscreens. It's one app, and it adjusts to whatever device you're on. You can see updates on your Chatter feed, work with your contacts, or update your deal progress. It's also easy to work directly with your customer on the deal. Just like you create groups to collaborate on things like new products, your competition, and your team, you can also create groups to collaborate with your customers. In one click, you're in a private deal room and can share all the information your customer needs. Here, your customers are private guests, and together, you collaborate on things like product videos, your last presentation, or the current pricing proposal. It looks like your customer feels good about your proposal. With the Sales Cloud, it's easy to manage all of your deals, all of your team's deals, and all of your company's deals, and have real-time conversations about your pipeline. And if you need to tweak your forecast for management, you can use your judgment to sharpen up your team's numbers. Unlike spreadsheets, Salesforce keeps track of everyone's changes. You can visualize your forecast and use dashboards to measure all the metrics you need to run your business and make smart decisions. Sales compared to forecast, your top deals, and next quarter's pipeline. With just a click, you can start a conversation and focus your team on what matters. The Sales Cloud makes it easy because everything is connected. Dashboards, customers, and everyone at your company who can help you win more business. To learn more, go to salesforce.com/salescloud and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
Okay, we are back. The second service, we are going to talk about is Service Cloud. Service Cloud basically, they help customer service for the social enterprise, and they would like to delight customers with faster, more responsive service across every channel, from the contact center to customer social networks. And what Service Cloud can bring us, they will bring us service and engage on social media. And it also makes service agents more productive. And last one, and of course, they help us reduce service costs. Now, again, let's take a look at a clear video demo officially from Salesforce.com. And we'll come back later.
In this demo, we're going to look at the Service Cloud, the world's leading application for modern customer service. In the past, you invested here, in the call center. But for modern customer service, the call center is only half the picture. More and more, today's customers are turning to the cloud for customer service, to search engines like Google, to social media communities like Facebook and Twitter, and to self-service websites where customers can find experts and get their questions answered faster. Old call centers just can't connect on these new customer channels. With the Service Cloud, you can deliver amazing customer service on any channel your customers choose. Let's take a look. Because the Service Cloud runs in the cloud, you don't need to buy servers or manage a complicated software stack. You just go to salesforce.com and log in. This is the Service Cloud. It's where agents can open and manage cases that come in over the phone, email, social networks, or even on live agent web chat. And managers can see important service metrics, like cases by channel, cases closed by agent, and top service conversations on social media, like Twitter and Facebook. Say a customer posts a question about your product on your company's Facebook wall. The Service Cloud lets you track the conversation here, automatically opens a case, and assigns it to an agent, who can see the customer details and a description of the problem. And for more complex issues, when you need to work across departments to find an answer, that's where Salesforce Chatter comes in. With Chatter, you can instantly connect with experts across your company to collaborate and solve problems faster. Like Rick, the product manager. Rick sees the new case in his Chatter feed, can drill into the case, and quickly share a solution he's been working on with everyone on the team. When you get Rick's answer, Service Cloud makes it easy to share with the customer right back on your company's Facebook page, with a handy link to the knowledge article on your public website. And because the Service Cloud works with Google as well, a quick search will also get your customer the answer they need. The Service Cloud is also great for self-service communities. With a self-service community branded for your company, your customers can open and track cases, ask questions, and find answers from the community and knowledge base, and chat with a service agent using Salesforce Live Agent Web Chat to get the answer they need. But to deliver modern customer service, the call center has to move forward too. This is the Service Cloud console that's purpose-built to make even your best agents more productive, whether you're handling cases from traditional channels or more modern ones. Just click here to see your cases across all your customer channels. When a call comes in, you get a screen pop with all the important information about the customer, including key social insights, the products they've purchased, their service entitlements, and any cases they've opened. It's easy to open a new case. And the Service Cloud console automatically recommends the most relevant knowledge articles. When you find the one that fixes the issue, you can email it out or talk through the steps over the phone. But sometimes it's easier to help your customer when you can see what they see. With the Service Cloud console, it's easy to connect with customers using the video features of today's mobile devices, like FaceTime on the iPhone. So you can quickly troubleshoot with your customer, find the problem, and solve it with them. Then simply close out the case, all inside the Service Cloud. Okay, that's a quick overview of how Service Cloud helps you deliver amazing customer service across social, self-service, and call center channels. Be sure to check out everything else the Service Cloud has to offer at salesforce.com/servicecloud.
Okay, after looking at the video, I believe everyone now understands Service Cloud more and understand why Service Cloud can make service agents more productive and how Service Cloud help us to reduce service costs. And the next one, which is also the most important one, service of Salesforce, is Salesforce CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. CRM is all about managing the relationships you have with your customers. And CRM combines business processes, people, and technology to achieve this single goal, which is getting and keeping customers. It's an overall strategy to help you learn more about customers' behaviors so that you can develop stronger, lasting relationships that will benefit both of you and your customers. It's very hard to run a successful business without a strong focus on CRM, as well as adding elements of social media and making the transition to social enterprise to connect with customers in new ways. Now, you might wonder, what elements of a successful CRM should have? A successful CRM involves many different areas of your company, starting with sales and extending to other customer-facing areas like marketing and customer service. And the Salesforce.com offers technology solutions for all those areas and more. With Salesforce cloud computing platform, a company can mine their customer and budget at the same time and get up and running in 30 days with the world's most proven CRM solutions. Now, let's take a look at the video again, and to help you understand how to use a CRM cloud to help you deal with your customer service and the marketing and sales at the same time, and such that you can manage your customers and your budget better at the same time. Okay, let's take a video right now.
If you're like most businesses, you track your business information in a lot of different places. But finding your way through emails, spreadsheets, and presentations can take up a lot of valuable time. And you may not find the information you need when you need it. Salesforce is a centralized place where you can track everything you need to run your business, from your contacts and accounts to your sales deals and documents. And because it runs in the cloud, all you need is a web browser or a mobile device to access it, just like using Gmail or Amazon. When Bob Green starts his day, he logs into his Salesforce account and checks out his homepage. At the top of the page are his tabs. The tabs help him quickly find the information he needs, from his contacts, accounts, and sales deals to his reports and business dashboards. Next, Bob can see his name and status update. This is where he can let his colleagues know what he's working on. He can open up the chatter feed to see what's new with the customers, accounts, deals, and documents that he cares about most, and collaborate with his coworkers. Just like you can follow people on Facebook, with Chatter you can follow the business information that matters most to you. His dashboard is where he tracks the business data that's most important to him, like how many new leads his team has, or what stage his team's deals are in, so he can quickly see how his business is doing and where he needs to spend his time. His tasks and calendar sections show him what he has to do today, like his lunch meeting with Alex or the follow-up email he needs to send to Jim. And it's easy to sync all this with Outlook or Google Calendar, so all the information he needs is in one place and always up to date. Bob sees that he has a call with Jason Smith from Binford set up today. He can hover over the call to see more information about it, and by clicking on Jason's name, he's taken to his contact record. Here he can quickly see all of Jason's key information, like his title, his contact numbers, and who he reports to. Salesforce is easy to customize, so Bob can track any information he needs, like whether he's done business with Jason before, or if Jason is a person who can make buying decisions at his company. Scrolling down the page, Bob has all of his past interactions at his fingertips. Instead of digging through email or documents on his desktop, he can just turn to Salesforce and get up to speed for his meeting in a matter of minutes. After his call, Bob can update the task with key notes and even set next steps for himself or someone else he works with. Here he's updating the notes to show that Jason liked the proposal and is ready to close the deal if he can get a price discount. Bob can save this update and create a new task to have his sales rep, John, send a price quote. When Bob clicks Save, John will get an email letting him know he has a task to do. Finally, Bob can go into the sales opportunity to update the stage to show that the deal is about to close and that the price was discounted. When Bob saves his changes, the chatter feed is updated in real time, so anyone who's following this opportunity is immediately on the same page. The best part about Chatter is that Salesforce does the work to keep you updated on the things you care about most. The power of Salesforce is that it's a centralized hub for you to track all the information you need to run your business faster and smarter. And because it's run in the cloud, you can use it wherever you are. All you need is an internet connection or a mobile device. Get started now. Try it for free at salesforce.com.
Okay, after knowing so much knowledge and information about cloud services, you might wonder how these cloud companies make money by running all those cloud services. Therefore, the next topic we would like to talk about is business model. How Salesforce.com's business model help them to earn money. Of course, this common business model also applies to most SaaS cloud companies. And let's see, in 2011, Salesforce.com's revenue is 1.657 billion, and they also has increase of 27% from the prior year. Besides that, you might wonder, how can they make so much money, and what's the money resource? And now we'll talk about. Mainly, the 94% comes from subscription fee. It means that if you are a company, you can go to their website and join them. as a member, and then you might pay your membership fee monthly or yearly, not limited. And the second one, 6% is from professional services. Why they have professional services? Since different companies have different needs, therefore, they require professional services from some professional people to give them more advices and services based on their needs. This is also called customization. In other words, customization usually brings in more cost, but also more earnings. Let's take a look at the next slide. In this slide, we can see the current status of Salesforce.com. Currently, Salesforce.com has many headquarters. They have one headquarters in San Francisco, but they also have many other regional headquarters, like in Switzerland, Singapore, Tokyo, and other offices in Toronto, New York, London, Sydney, San Mateo, California. They have 16 different languages on the web, and they have 22,400 customers, and 2,100,000 subscribers. That's a huge numbers. And Salesforce.com ranked number 27 in Fortune's 100 best companies to work for in 2012. It is also listed on the New York Stock Exchange and is a constituent of S&P 500 index. It's a very successful company, such that they can have a very good status in stock market. After knowing Salesforce.com current status, now we are going to, in the very end of our cloud class, we are going to talk about a case study which used Salesforce.com to achieve business success. This company is Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs is a very famous ice cream company in the world. First, the Haagen-Dazs shopping company, the franchise of Haagen-Dazs ice cream shops, needed a CRM system to manage its franchises and ramp up development and sales opportunities. Its shops team includes many different workers. The first one, like executives, real estate development, marketing persons, and a field team of franchise business managers who support and inspect hundreds of domestic franchise stores on a regular basis. This geography dispersed team needed a better way to communicate and collaborate on daily operations, campaigns, and store development. Yeah, this is the problem we just talked about. It's geography dispersed team, and they need a better way to communicate. And now let's take a look at what's the original solution. The original solution of Haagen-Dazs is using Excel, just like you and me also use Excel on your computer, right? Your personal computer. And Access database. Actually, your Microsoft also has this Access database, but it's very primitive. And they use VPN to connect to the database. Of course, this is not enough. And now, let's see how Haagen-Dazs resolve their problems with Salesforce.com solution. First, they use Salesforce CRM solution. and deployed and customized Salesforce in less than 6 months, only 6 months. And Force.com also connect for Microsoft for simple information access because Haagen-Dazs originally they have some Microsoft services, but they also want to keep it. Therefore, Force.com do customization. They try to connect new services with old services on Microsoft. And this is customization done by Salesforce.com for Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs University, they have a training component used to track which franchises have attended training. They also have a defaults component. Defaults can track which shops failed inspections. Openings component. Opening component can follow the opening process for new construction. Real estate leads used to match new franchise owners with a potential shop location. Besides, Salesforce CRM also use Salesforce and Google AdWords to manage online advertisements for Haagen-Dazs. Therefore, they can achieve very good advertisement effects online. As well, Salesforce has another functionality called Web to Lead. Web to Lead functionality can automate marketing campaigns on www.haagendazs.com. This is for marketing activities. Another important functionality provided by Salesforce.com is Chatter. Chatter is like a MSN online message, but Chatter is very, very convenient. Using Chatter can help you to integrate with the existing Salesforce solution. Besides, Chatter also promotes collaboration among teams dispersed in the world. Now, let's take a look. What are the results brought by Salesforce.com for Haagen-Dazs? Haagen-Dazs has gained 15 additional franchise leads per month and ensures franchise information to be easily accessible from the web, right? Do you remember they have some defaults component, some opening component to track how those franchise store going on? The third one, they empower management with greater insight into franchise activity. The next one, they use case functionality to track franchises that fail inspection. It means that if you can track those franchises who did not pass inspection, it means that you are improved your quality. Okay, the last one is the Chatter adoption. Using Chatter, you can have faster product decisions, and the customer issues are more quickly addressed and resolved. And they also have a very special functionalities that the franchise stores can share photo using Chatter. Last slide, we are going to give a summary to cloud services. What cloud services can bring us? The first one, you have higher customization flexibility. The second one, you can have a faster development process of your software. The third one, using the effective software, your agents will become more productive. And during the management process, you can have closer tracking of so many stuffs. Of course, and almost the most important one, you can spend less money to achieve this goal, trying to keeping and getting customers using cloud services. So since cloud services have so many advantages when I use them. Go for something new. Okay, that's today's class today. So see you next time. Bye.